Craig, how close was that to 3 points at Moldalex today? But we have to go home with a point at the end of 90 minutes. But great display by the boys.
Yeah, a reaction was needed after last week's disappointment. And let's be blunt, we would have took a point before the game. So obviously we're pleased. It's a valuable point on the road. Naturally we're disappointed because we were 2-0 up and we've conceded a late goal to sort of drop those final 2 points. But at the end of the day, as I said, we asked for a reaction. We asked to be more positive as a group, to just start to change that mentality going into these last few games. And I thought the boys were a credit to the man today.
We've played Moldalex 4 times. It's a difficult place to come, but we adapted today to a changing formation and changing players as well, with a couple missing for the game today.
Yeah, it was difficult. Obviously with Idon missing, picking up the injury last week. Josh Banksy getting sent off last week, and they're 2 influential defenders for us. Young Griff was hoping to get a start today, but unfortunately pulled up sick this morning. So we come here with no centre half, only one recognised centre half, and all credit to Stuart Rogers, who stepped into that role and I thought was magnificent through the game. With a real standout performance for Stu. And as I said, though, it was a difficult team to play against Mould. They're good at what they do. They've got a great spirit about them, and you're in a game for 90 minutes. We've just fallen short to take home all 3 points, and I think that's credit to us after last week. And I'll repeat it, we needed that reaction and we got it. We've taken a point that's a valuable point to us, and now we focus forward onto Druids next week.
Some big games coming up, Craig. Some very big games before the end of the season. How can we get the points from the next few games to make sure that we're in the league for next season?
We just continue doing what we're doing, and I think we need to enjoy what we're doing. I think we've allowed pressure and expectation to mount, and to build, and that's affected the way we've played, in my opinion. We've had a good chat this week amongst us as a group. We've been very open and honest with each other, and I'd like to say that today there was clear signs of encouraging signs of moving forward. And I think, Dol, if we continue to do what we're doing, get back to the basics, strip it back, we will pick up points. There's no doubt about it. We're too good of a team not to.
A far easier end of game interview this week. Diolch yn fawr, Craig.
Diolch, Dol.